Johnson. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Indonesia by way of Ferengi. Thank you so much. This is Sedaap and their Soto Madura. It's a Maduranesian, I want to say. Maduranesian yellow beef noodle soup deal here. So, sounds interesting. I wish I had some beef. You might be asking, where's the beef? I don't have any beef, so. And you steep it. So, sachet. 2 more. Another one. And another one. And a noodle block going in the water for 3 minutes. And there we go. And I thought I would give you a quick tour of our Christmas excellence that's going on here that you'll be like, dude, Christmas was like months ago. Not for me. But yeah, see, look. Tree. It's got a whole bunch of Star Trek stuff on it too. And I did over the door. Over there, look at that. Wow, fancy. And we've been doing a Lego advent calendar, and I guess there's another advent calendar that has chocolate on it, or in it. I haven't taken part in that at all. For Mimi's birthday yesterday, my wife and I tag teamed the kitchen and made, maybe like a week ago, I tried for the first time making cookie dough in the bread machine, and it came out mixed results, I'll say, because it did come out all right, but the problem is that it, like, you bake the cookies, they come out really good. 10 minutes later, they're getting a little dry. About an hour later, yeah, they're getting kind of hard and almost crisp. And at the end of the day, it's like they're just hard cookies. And that's not what I'm shooting for with the chocolate chip cookie. I want it to be like, oh, wow, this is really good. Not like, you know. So we got a ton of these like super hard chocolate chip cookies. I'm like, They're not bad if you microwave them for like 10 seconds, but I don't want to do that. I'm good. And the other thing we made was what do you call it? Ice cream. She requested chocolate ice cream with marshmallows, and boy, that came out really good. It's very rich. The recipe called for a cup of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. Yeah. So that came out really good. Very rich, though. So, yeah, but success. And that was fun. I took her to the 99 Ranch. Actually, we all went to the 99 Ranch. And I got there's these machines, and it's a claw machine, and it's the Kittleton claw machine. And so it cranks out. It's like there's a center thing where you get your coins, and then these banks on either side. I think it's like 2 rows on either side, about 5 machines wide. I think there's like 20 claw machines. And we ended up, she won twice for $20. We got some little trinkety things, and she was happy. It's like I really wanted her to be able to do that because she loves doing the claw machine, even though it's like I'm no good at it. I think Mimi won and my wife won for her. I think that was about it. I tried it a couple times. We all played it. Miles played it, and but it's like $20 for that. But you get the experience too. So, and then for her birthday, she got a little claw machine, which she's pretty stoked on. So that was good. And then Miles was kind of, I could tell he was like, she's getting all this stuff. Like, yes, but rest assured, not long till Christmas. Your birthday's on the 17th. Christmas is on the 25th. Boy, I'm trying to get like 10,000 things done today. I'm doing laundry, got the dishes done, about to reload the dishes and run that. Then I gotta fold laundry. Probably should get out and get the mail and stuff and take out the trash. And just trying to, and then I'm doing 3 reviews. I edited a video for an unboxing, and this is only their first day of vacation from school. And something else I'm going to be doing is I'll have another top 10 list that I'll be getting ready. I think I might do the top 10 of US list for early release in what month is that called? January. For release in January. So that's what we're looking at. And here's what we're looking at here. So I added this last sachet. What does it say on it? Bubuk Soto. Miles, don't make that horrible noise. And this is one of those varieties that, yeah, that last one has like this kind of like beefish smell to it. I don't know if it actually has beef in it. It's possible. But here is the noodle. Noodle's okay. And there's our broth. I'm gonna tell you, first off, this is not yellow. You all right out there, kid? Are you all right?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you leaving the dog alone?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit on the couch, please. I'm almost done. He's getting cranky because he wants to eat something. It's not bad. I'm not going to say that I love it, but I don't hate it. And not hating something to me, and it's finding it compelling. So it's definitely of interest. I also saw that this company, Sedaap, now has a spicy laksa, and that's kind of like a new one for them. And that sounds interesting. All right, what are we doing to this? It shows an egg on the packaging. Don't bug the dog. Leave the dog alone there. I know, I'm from Washington. Why am I talking like that? Why do I have this weird... Oh, wow. I don't know what's going on outside my door. Miles, go sit down, chill out. Goodness. Miles is having a spazzo moment. There's noises going on outside the front door. I think that's part of it. Some spring onion. Yeah. He's been very, what's the term? Quick to not listen lately. We're kind of at the end of our rope. We don't know what to do. But, you know, he's a kid. I think he's acting his age. I think it's a phase. Blah, blah, blah. Adult words. If you're a kid, give me some pointers. I used to be a kid. I did, at one point. All right. Well, thanks for watching. This is my first day back to reviewing. Like I said in a previous episode, since the day before Thanksgiving, it's December 18th. So it's been a few weeks, and yeah, I'm planning on doing 3 reviews a day for until they go back to school, except for the weekends. So yeah, cool. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Writer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.